You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce the name of this French basketball player. We'll be looking at how to say more interesting but often confusing names from the NBA that many get wrong. So make sure to stay tuned to the channel. Yves Pons is how you say it in French. Yves Pons, playing currently for the Memphis Grizzlies, National Basketball Association. Yves Pons. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.